Welcome back, everybody, to the Attention to Detail in Highland, Indiana YouTube channel. My name's Aaron Latman, your host and owner of Attention to Detail. Today we've got a pretty special vehicle. It is a 2021 Rolls-Royce Ghost, and we are doing the full window tint job in Ultra Vision's Clima Comfort. It is a purplish, sort of yellowish hued window tint. They call it a chameleon look, and it has ceramic in it to block out IR and UV rays, and the VLT on this particular film is a 70%. So I wanted to kind of showcase this Rolls-Royce and what we're doing. We have Vlad here, our master tinter, working on the driver's front window, and we have been tinting this vehicle pretty much all day. The client brought it into us with a bunch of old glue residue, which sucks because he didn't even know that it was on there, but the dealership just ripped the tint off and left all the rest of the glue. So we are here to save the day as superheroes and remove all that glue. A few key things that I wanted to actually note about our window tint service. A lot of people come to us and they say, Aaron, I want to get tint from you, but why is the price just so high? And the price is high because of the quality of our installs and actually the quality of our work and our craftsmanship. Now, when we tint a vehicle, as you can see this pink tape here, we actually put tape on all felt seals so that you don't have any dust, debris, or contamination getting into the window tint. And that's the biggest thing that you see a lot of tint shops do, is they don't take their time. And so when they get window tint from another shop, they actually, when they don't put that tape on there, that felt tape, they get all these little tiny pieces of felt and dust contaminations inside their tint, and that's what makes for such a bad tint job. One of the other things that we do on any windshields, especially high-end vehicles, is we actually use what's called the button trick, where we take our knife and we put a button underneath the knife and we put the film on your windshields front and back. We put the film in between the knife and the button, as you can see, so that way when you're actually cutting the tint out, you're not even touching the glass, let alone scratching it. It's something to watch out for the next tint job you get if you don't have the luxury of coming to our shop. I would be very interested to see on your windshields front and back if there's any light scratches, because most clients that come to us with windshield tint installed at another shop, you can actually see light cut marks from their carbon blades that are actually on the windshield. And most clients don't notice it, but for us, it's very important that we use the button trick. Another thing that we do to showcase our quality is that we do cover up all of your door panels, your dashboard, all of your seats, especially on high-end vehicles. You can actually see we have this towel here. This towel is client provided, but we do have all of, right here, our plastic that we use on top of all our dashboards, on our doors. We have our soak rope installed. We have our dash mats, our dash covers, and especially like on the back window, you can see here, you can see we have back installed plastic all over the back for when we go to install, which is pretty awesome. So it's very important that you make sure, no matter what, that you have all of these precautionary measures when you're actually tinting, so that way you not only have the cleanest install, but you also have a protected vehicle. You can actually watch while Vlad is installing this piece of film. It's actually pretty cool. So we can watch during the install. And I want to notate a few more things. Number one is that we spray soapy water in the air so that any contamination that we're working with in our air is not getting onto the film. And we're basically cutting all the contamination out from the air and it's falling to the ground. We're wetting up the film and we're gonna put it onto the window. It's pretty cool. This film is pretty awesome, this purple hue. It's from Ultra Vision, and it's called Clima Comfort. That purple hue is pretty cool. Another thing that, something to note about our window tint is that we do all of our installs without the gasket. So that means that when you don't have any gasket, we have basically free range of the window. And that way when we're installing, we're not having to tuck the window tint underneath a dirty felt seal or underneath a dirty rubber seal. That's something that's very important to note. I hope you guys like the look of this car. The tint is amazing. The car itself is absolute V12 masterpiece. But the tint itself, it's very important that you watch out for certain things when it comes to your tint shop that you choose. And although our pricing might be higher than your average tint shop on the corner, the quality of our work is really what speaks volumes. Before we go, I want to mention that on the top edge of all of our window tint, we do actually shave that top edge to ensure that you have a perfect install. And when you look at the tint on the glass, it looks like it's a complete factory glass with tint. That there's not even, when you roll the window down, you don't even see a little bit of a light gap or anything. It is the highest quality tint you can get. Attention to detail operates on the drift model. That stands for done right the first time, DRFT. If you want any of our tint services, just give us a call or send us an email. You can email us at service, S-E-R-V-I-C-E, at attn2detail.info. Give us a call, 219-533-8783, or you can visit us on our website, www.attn2detail.info, or come see Aaron.com. Thank you so much. Hope to have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching the video. Aaron with Attention to Detail out.